Good morning, children. Today we are going to see drop by drop lesson. In the before class, we seen in the introduction of this lesson. Here we will study about the situation of some village problem. What is the problem of this village? Yes, here water is the problem. So that I already told you water is the precious one and it also need for man, animals, plants, etc. Okay, now let's see the lesson. Madhos live in Baju. This is a small village in Rajasthan area. It is also a hardy village because all you see is sand all around here. So only it is called like this. One can see some houses when the sand does not blow. This line we get to know it was the problem of lack of water. Lack of water means I already told lack means பற்றாக்குறை. வாட்டர் தண்ணி இல்லாததுனால ஏற்படக்கூடியது தான் lack of water அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Because there is less rainfall in Rajasthan area. So that the shortage of water. Everyone in Madhu's family is so upset. Every summer there is water scarcity in his place. This year it is worse. Worse means ரொம்ப மோசமான நிலைமை அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். It did not rain at all. His mother and sister have to walk a longer distance to fetch water as the nearby pond. Each day they spend hours just to get 4 parts of water. Dear children, you think in your home 4 pots of water is enough for in a day? It is so difficult in our house, but here there is no way. While walking on the hot sand, their feet burn and blisters just can't be avoided. Blister means அந்த கால்கள் எல்லாமே வெடிச்சு போகிறது. ஏன் அப்படின்னா ராஜஸ்தான் ஃபுல்லாகவே சாண்ட் ஏரியா. சாண்ட் மீன்ஸ் மணல் ஏரியா. அந்த இடத்துல நடக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகும்னா இந்த மாதிரி பாதத்தில் வெடிப்பு ஏற்படுறதுக்கு தான் பிளிஸ்டர்ஸ் அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் when the train carrying water comes they are very happy because the water has arrived. So Madhu's father goes to fetch water in his camel cart. What is mean by camel cart? நம்மளுடைய பிளேஸ்லாம் மாட்டு வண்டின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அதே மாதிரி ராஜஸ்தானில் கேமல் காட் ஒட்டக வண்டி அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க. But this does not happen often. People keep waiting days and days for water. Okay children, now I ask one question to you. How to solve this problem? Any idea from you? Yes, I already told in the before class. It is the solution of rainwater harvesting. Did you know the rainwater harvesting? People collect the rainwater in a tanks. This is called rainwater harvesting. In this area, Rajasthan area, they are called tanka. In our cities, we call the rainwater harvesting. Okay, how to build a tanka? A bit is dug in the courtyard. Courtyard means அந்த ஒரு வீட்டோட மொட்டை மாடி சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, மாடி, அதோடைய முற்றம். முற்றம்னா அதோட எண்ட் ஆஃப் த போர்ஷன் தான் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா கார்டியார்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த இடத்துல தான் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா ஒரு குழி மாதிரி மேக் பண்ணுவாங்க. அதிலிருந்து ஒரு பைப் மாதிரி கனெக்ட் பண்ணி அந்த பைப்பை டேங்க்கில் வர மாதிரி பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ the tanker is kept covered with lid. Lid means மூடி. டேங்காவோட மவுத் பகுதியை என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா லெட் போட்டு க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. The roof of the house is made sloping so that the rainwater collected here flow through a pipe into the tanker. A sieve is attached to the mouth of the pipe so that no dirt goes into the tanker. This water is used for drinking after it is cleaned. Sometimes Madhu is allowed to take water from one of the tankers of the village. Okay children, this is the lesson of drop by drop. Now I ask some questions to you. What is the solution of this problem? One is you know that rainwater harvesting, and another one is I already told you, that is recycle, reduce and reuse. What is mean by reduce? When you no need to use of water, that time you close your tap and repair the leakage taps and prevent the overflow of the water from the tank. This is the reduced method. What is mean by reuse? See this picture. This lady only have 2 parts with water. That lady bathing in one part, and this water can be goes into under the vessels, and this vessels have water is reused to the bath of animal. This is called reused method. Okay, what is mean by recycling? Recycling mean the dirty water can be purified and that water can use for planting, laundry purpose, or else washing of vehicles. So this lesson explained to you, please don't waste your water. And also follow the 3 R's: reduce, recycling and reuse. Thank you children.